Hello guys, this is Eddie. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for joining in. Today I'll be showing you how you can install custom emergency sirens in GTA and 5M. So without wasting any time, let's get into this video. Oh, before getting into the video, I'd like to give a huge shout out to Tarak Sethi and I am Adi for sponsoring my channel and being active members throughout. To download the Siren pack, go to the link given in the description. Once you open the link, go into the Siren Sounds folder. Here you can see two folders. I have put the default file for you just in case you don't like the custom Siren sounds. You can download this file and put it back to the same place where you will be pasting the custom file. For the custom siren, go into the Omega 90 siren folder. Then go into the 5M LSPDR siren files. There are two types of siren sounds which include short priority and the long priority. Now download the resident.rpf file. Once the file is downloaded, just right click on it and copy the file. Go into the start menu and open Steam. Once in Steam, open the library, go to the Grand Theft Auto, press manage and then browse local files. Once you are in the local files, go into the x64 folder, open the audio, go into SFX and paste the resident.rbf file over here. And boom, it's done. It's as simple as that. This is how the default sirens in GTA sound like. This is how the long priority sirens sound like. This is how the short priority sirens sound like. I try to keep my 5M tutorials as short and simple as possible. If you still have any questions and queries regarding the installation of custom sirens pack, comment down below and I'll try to resolve your issue. If this video was helpful for you, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, don't miss to turn on the notifications so that you'll get notified next time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.